Living in a van has a way of showing you what really matters. Morning coffee with a view, slow days that somehow feel full, and a home that moves wherever you do. It's simple, it's small, and honestly, it's enough. Hi guys, this is our detailed van tour. We've been traveling through Balkans, starting in Croatia, and this is our home on wheels from Vancation Adria. Starting in our kitchen, last night was actually our first time cooking. So it was a very fun experience. Here are our storage. These two are our food storage. The third one is our toiletries. We also have extra storage up here. Right now some papers and an extra duvet because we're here in October, so it's been a little chilly. We also have a hammock. I've never put up a hammock before. I don't know if Jakob has also either, but we'll see. Here's the sink, how it works. Clean water, the dirty water. Storage for our pots, pans, and plates. This is the magnet that keeps some of the drawers locked when driving. This is our spices, although there's only 2 spices, salt and pepper. I'm not sure if they count as spices, but that's what we have. And these are our drawers. Again, with this magnet, our utensils. And the cooking utensils. And of course, the tiny fridge. This is our fan. It is perfect when cooking inside because all the smoke and the smells from the cooking. For the functions, you can blow the fan in or you can blow it out. You can do it by your hand, but it also comes with a remote. And our window, also perfect for letting the air out when you cook. This is obviously the stove, but it works like this with 2 cans. And this is the plug, USB with UBC, I think it's UBC. And then the lights for here, and the pump for the sink. Moving in here, this is basically the dining / living area. There is this table, which can move any which way. Underneath both benches, there are actually the technical stuff. So that's on both sides. This is underneath the bed, which easy access for our clothes. Just pull it out, put it back in, instead of having to go around the van and take out from the backside. And this is the bedroom. It's so cozy because it also has this window. Love this thing, especially now that today the weather is quite warm, 18 degrees. But in the nighttime, we have these side lamps. One here and one here. But not only are they just lamps, underneath are USB charging ports. And here is our, what's it called, pin board, but without the pins. And so this has 2 pints in case we need it, a hat, and other things that we want to staple on. And this is mosquito nets. I don't think we'll need it because we're here during October, so I don't think the mosquitoes are here necessarily. Here, we already set up our seating. Here is the back side of the van. It's so spacious. The front seat, aka my seat. It's actually really spacious. And here is where we charge the car with the battery inside. The fuel is on the driver's side, which is nice because you just get out, refill it. Here's where we refill our pump.
1 jug of used water and 1 of new water. Right now, I have to take this out and empty it because otherwise it's gonna fill up. van also comes with a trolley to weigh, because this is heavy. I think this is more than 25 kilos. So it's better to use this one to carry it all the way down to empty it.
And now we're going to demonstrate how we go to sleep. Before we go to sleep, we have to board up all of the windows just so that we have some privacy.
In order to go to sleep, we want to cover these up because otherwise people can look at us while we sleep. So there's these, and these are magnets. So you can see, I put it up and it just clicks on like that. So easy. And now, no one can see in from this window, and it also reflects out the sun. So if it's super hot, when you put these on, it's not going to get hot in here, which is good because in Croatia and down this coast, it's super hot in the summertime. And do it on the other side as well. Over here. You see? Now, as you can see when I'm closing it, you will not be able to see anything. And now I'm covering this one.
Go ahead and so you just have to shove it in these little.
Here. See, it's covered up now. And now the small window. Over here. Ready to sleep.
And that is our detailed van tour of our van with Vancation Adria. If you guys are interested in wanting to book this through your trip through Croatia or even Croatia and the Balkans, be sure to check out the website. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so you can see where we head to after Croatia. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!